If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error rate limited message, the fastest and most reliable fix is usually very simple. Step away from X for a little while. In most cases, those limits reset within 15 to 60 minutes, so the best thing you can do is stop refreshing, stop retrying over and over, and give the platform time to clear the restriction. Spamming the refresh button usually makes the problem worse, not better, so the first step is patience. After waiting a bit, the next thing to try is logging out of your account completely. Once you've logged out, close the app or browser tab, then log back in again. A fresh sign-in often helps reset the session and clears temporary glitches that can trigger the rate-limited message. If you're using the app, force close it first before reopening. If you're on a browser, refresh once after logging back in, but don't keep hammering the page. So the full fix is really that straightforward. Step away from X, wait for the limit to reset, log out, and then log back in. In most cases, that's enough to get you back into your account without any extra steps. If this helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.